Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can find and delete emails with attachments on Gmail to free up the storage. Well, when you don't delete your unnecessary emails with attachments, it gradually piles up and take up all the free storage Google gives to an account. And here you can see that the storage of my account is above 90%, which means I may have emails with large attachments that need to be deleted. And when I try to find them by scrolling down, I do not find many emails with attachments, like a couple of emails with attachments on every page. So it will take a lot of time to find and delete them by going through all pages. So to find emails with attachments, you can search #attachment, which will show you all the emails with attachments, and you can just delete them all if they are all unnecessary. Moreover, if you are looking for emails with specific file type attachment, you can search it with file name, colon, and then just write the file type. It will show up all the emails with that specific file type attachment. You can also find emails with specific file type by searching dot and then just write the file type. And then just select them and delete them to free up the storage. And make sure after deleting them from your inbox, delete them from your bin tab too. Otherwise, it will sit there and won't free up your Google storage right away. And since the Google free storage is shared with other Google products like Google Drive and Google Photo, do check them too if there are unnecessary files sitting, taking up a lot of storage. Just find them and delete them too from your folder and then from your bin tab to free up the storage right away. And this is how you can find and delete emails with attachments on Gmail to free up the storage. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.